Hello friends, in today's class I will give you introduction of motion. Study of motion categorized in two categories. First one is the kinematics and second one is the dynamics. Here I will discuss about the kinematics. So what is the kinematics? Kinematics is a branch of the motion where we discuss about the motion without knowing its cause. It means here we discuss how motion happened. We will not discuss why it happened. Now, whole kinematics divided in few parameters. What are those parameters? Those parameters are distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration. This all parameters changes with respect to one reference parameter, that is nothing but the time. Now, what is the distance? When object moves between two positions, let us consider between A and B, then the actual length between A and B is known to be as a distance. For example, here if I will divide the whole part in small parts, and the length of one small part is 1 centimeter, and if it is the total number of parts are 20, then the total length will be 20 centimeter, and this is nothing but the distance between A and B. But if I will ask what is the displacement between A and B, then it is the shortest distance between A and B. So, shortest distance is only one, that is a straight line between A and B. Now, here the basic difference between distance and displacement is, in distance we are not considering the direction. We are only measuring the total length between initial and final position, and whatever the path we are going through. But in displacement, we should have one specified direction. If we will go between A and B through different paths, let us consider path A and path B. Distance may be different through different path, but displacement will be always same. Whatever the path you will take, it doesn't matter. That's why we keep distance in a scalar quantity, because here direction doesn't matter, and displacement in vector quantity, because here magnitude as well as direction both matters. And next one is speed. If object is moving between A and B and we ask that how fast it is or how slow it is, then we introduce a new parameter, that is what? Speed. So speed tells that the distance covered by object in per unit time. Now this speed we categorize into two categories. One is the average speed, another one is the instantaneous speed. When we discuss about the average speed, it is the total distance covered by object between A and B and divided by total time taken to cover this distance. But if we talk about the instantaneous speed, for example, you are riding a bike, you are going from your home to your office, and it is a 5 kilometer away from your home, and you are taking 15 minutes. Somewhere your speed will be more and somewhere your speed will be less. But you are taking 15 minutes total time between your home and office. Then what will be your average speed? It will be the total distance, that is a 5 kilometer, and the total time you have taken, that is 15 minutes. So it will be 5 kilometer divided by 15 minutes. But what will be your instantaneous speed? See, when you are going from your home to your office, then at different instant your speed will be different, and that is showing in your speedometer. Sometime it will be 40 km per hour, sometime it will be 20 km per hour, sometime it will be 60 km per hour. So at that particular instant, whatever the speedometer is showing to you, that is nothing but your instantaneous speed. In the same way, we define the velocity. So velocity is nothing but the speed with direction. Speed with direction. Here, magnitude as well as direction both are important. So it is a vector quantity. Velocity also we categorize in two categories. One is the average velocity and another one is the instantaneous velocity. Now average velocity is the total displacement divided by total time taken. In the same case, when you are going from your home to office, you will find what is the shortest distance between your home and office and divide by total time, that is 50 minutes. That is your velocity. But what about the instantaneous velocity? Instantaneous velocity and instantaneous speed will always same. It will be not different. But average velocity and average speed may be different. Now next one is acceleration. Now what is the acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity. Now you are increasing the speed of your bike with respect to time. Then you say you are accelerating the bike. And that is nothing but the acceleration. Now we are studying about these parameters. We are relating these parameters in kinematics. For example, a boy is there and he is throwing a ball from his hand at certain angle from ground. Now, in his mind, some question may arise that maybe he can ask that when this ball will hit the ground, what will be the maximum height of this ball? What will be the path of this ball? And to find the answer of this question, when we relate this all the parameters, then he studying about the kinematics, and that is nothing but the kinematics. I think so you understood that what is the kinematics. Thank you.